One thing you must know, people. The predator might not remember the victim, you know. The predator might not remember the victim. But the victim always remember the predator. Remember that. The predator might not remember the victim. No. Can probably do it to so many people so you remember who you did that with. But the victim will die with that inside of them family.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Now people, you know, so when it comes to the whole rape culture thing in Jamaica, it should not be a 1-minute talk, a 7-day talk, or only a talk for a short while. And definitely it should not only be highlighted when somebody of status talk about it. Like for instance, right now everybody are talk about that simply because Tanya Stevens come out and talk about fear situation. No! The conversation should always be an ongoing one because it is a serious issue. Your father molest them daughter, you have uncle molest them niece, and them thing they continuously are going right now as we speak. Rape culture, very popular in Jamaica, right? So, me not like the fact that only when time somebody popular come out and address some certain things, or if something recent happen is the only time you hear that conversation being had. No, that need for change. But anyway, you know what say people always burn out rapists. We don't like rapists at Jamaica. We don't like rapists overall. Anyway, you understand? We don't like it. And right now, Johnny Thermos there, and the man a burn out some rapists. The man a say, yo, you hear me? Jungle justice for them.
Me want to speak to mankind. You know the thing set already. Rapists. We don't like no rapists. Any boy will rape. Any boy will rape. Any boy will rape. No, we don't like no farmer rapist, brother. No, sir. Listen to me, mankind. We don't like no farmer rapists. Yeah. So, hear me I say. Because we don't go on like we don't know who raped Tanya Stevens. We don't go on like we don't know who raped Tanya Stevens. Eh? Listen to the clues where the girl drop. Listen to the clues. And you will know who raped Tanya Stevens. She no want call name. We know why she no want call name. Cause we know who. You boy. We know you. You understand? We know the artist who raped Tanya Stevens at the time when Shabba Rankin was hot. Aha. Yes. She no want call name, people. She don't want to call name. I don't know why she's afraid. Maybe she's afraid of the big thick artist. You're overs, but read between the lines. The clues are there. We know who, and we are saying, no boy not for rape, no girl boy. No boy not for rape, no girl in the earth. Whether I want Jamaica, America, Europe, nowhere at all in the earth. We don't want no boy, nor no man, rape no girl, nor no woman. So we're going to bring back the jungle justice for any rapists. We are going to bring back the jungle justice. You see that boy that raped Tanya Stevens? We are come for you. Because we know who you be. We know who you be. Yeah. And we are come for you. You heard. We know where you reside. We coming for you. Yes. You're gonna get what's coming to you. What you deserve. In a time like this, or in no time at all, nobody not supposed to rape. Because right now, it's easier to get pum pum than get $1 right now. It's easier to get some pum pum than to get $1. You no need for rape. No boy no need for rape. Nobody no need for rape. You understood? Nobody no need for rape. These things sell like hot patty. You can credit it. You can beg. You can trust. You can buy. You understand? You can work for it. Many ways to get it. There are many ways to get some of it. You don't need to owe nobody and take it. You understand? Yeah. You don't need to owe a girl and take their things. You understand? Yeah. Remember say Beanie Man they done tell you know one song. Him say hold long and take that a rape rude boy. Even if the girl did give her early consent and then at the last minute she changes her mind and you still take it, rape. Even if you dip on the girl and she say come off and you know come off, rape. Even if you insert the nail and she say take it out and you know take it out, rape. Even if you drive hard and she say stop and you know press brake and stop, rape. You heard? Rape. R-A-P-E. Rape. So we are going to bring back jungle justice for the boy them we love to rape. If a boy in a 2021 and beyond feels him bad, rape any girl anywhere in the earth and see what reach you. As from this day in the earth, any boy whatsoever, because we now left this one to the police. We are take matters in our own hand. Your overs, that we are going to deal with. Because you don't need for rape. No, you don't need for rape. That thing where easy to get, brother. You can it's so easy to get now, you can download it. If you look for Instagram, it's all over Instagram and showcase. You don't need for rape, fam. No man, no need for rape. Understand? That thing where easy to get. You're easier to get that than get $1 right now in the earth. Understand? So, like me say, any boy, as from this day in the earth, hold a girl and take her things without her consent. You understand? Watch where I go reach you. We don't worry up, Tanya. Don't worry yourself, Tanya. Do not worry yourself. Justice is on its way. Okay? Alright.
Alright, so now hear from Thermos. More on to talk to me down below in the comment section. What you have to say about everything where the man say in that video here. You agree or disagree? Give me your opinion. Let me know. Alright, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Want to boost traffic to your business or get more ears listening to your music? Don't know where to start? Let us help you. Advertise with Unstoppable Media and get noticed today. Contact us at 876-420-3368 or email us at xtrailplayer@gmail.com. That's xtrailplayer@gmail.com. Let us put you in front of our audience today.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. unstoppable.